What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Do you guys want a stylus device that's a mid-ranger from Samsung? Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone out there is safe. We have the Galaxy A53 5G right here, and I just kind of wanted to use this phone as an example. Now let me know in the comment section down below, do you guys have a stylus in your phone? Or do you guys want a device that has a stylus? Do you even use a stylus? I want to know in the comment section down below. Let's get the community active in there, because I think it would be a really good idea, and hopefully Samsung is watching this video. They may even be on it already, but I feel like the Galaxy A53 5G, is a really decent phone, honestly, in my opinion. I'm going to do the full review of this phone, but so far, it has been my favorite mid-range phone I have ever used. Now, this device, saying that we have expandable storage, we have decent wattage, 25 watt fast charging in this device. Obviously, we don't have the wall charger, but we have things like NFC. We have a really good camera in this device. Actually, I feel like they've done very well with the software in it and the optical image stabilization in the video, the 4K, the 1080 60 frames per second. It just looks better overall, and this feels like a much more premium phone. Would you guys like a phone like this with a stylus inside of it? Like everything that the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G entails, just with an S Pen. Because I feel like at $449, this is a extremely solid phone, and even if they dropped a Note line device that's a mid-range device at $499, I think there would be a very big crowd for it. So maybe up the specifications a tiny bit. Honestly, in my opinion, I feel like you can leave this device as it is, the Galaxy A53 5G, and just pop a stylus in it and it would sell like hotcakes. What do you think in the comment section down below, guys? Would you buy a Galaxy A53 5G with a stylus inside of it? Would it be stupid? I don't know if this is stupid or not. I feel like, in my opinion, this is pretty cool. I feel like a lot of people would like this, but some people may not like this type of thing. But let me know in the comment section down below. Hopefully this does actually come to fruition. Hopefully this is manifested into something later on. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I really appreciate you guys commenting down below. So let me know. Let's get a little conversation going in the comment section down below and talk about this, because I feel like this can definitely be a reality if we get enough people behind it. So hopefully you guys have a good day. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell down below if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.